Welcome to the Builder Information Systems Video Learning Center. This Bank Reconciliation Part 2 tutorial will provide the basic steps for utilizing the bank reconciliation process. The Bank Reconciliation module allows you to reconcile your GL cash bank accounts against the regularly provided bank statements to assure an ongoing accuracy and to better reflect the availability of funds. As mentioned in Part 1, in Builder Information System, the bank reconciliation process follows the general steps taken by any company or individual with respect to banking. That is, funds or payments are received as cash receipts. The cash receipts are then deposited into the bank account. The bank in turn provides a monthly statement listing deposits made, along with checks and other withdrawal transactions received against the account, as well as any fees or service charges. Finally, the banking information is compared against the books with any differences reconciled as needed to assure accuracy. Now to the bank reconciliation process. Access the bank reconciliation screen by selecting Bank Reconciliation in the white area of the My Desktop Bank Reconciliation module, or by going to Transactions and selecting Bank Reconciliation. To initiate a bank reconciliation, on the main tab, select or enter the GL Cash bank account and the statement date. This will be the last date of transactions for the banking cycle. Upon entering the date, the account's beginning balance and default ending balance is initially brought in from the previously completed bank reconciliation to the corresponding fields on the Bank tab and will also appear in the lower portion on the Main tab. The beginning balance may be adjusted on the Bank tab along with the deposits and credits, withdrawals and debits, and bank charges to reflect the bank statements information provided. The other tabs will respectively populate with the uncleared transactions from within Builder Information System for checks, cash deposits, other and EFT transactions, credit card deposits, and adjustments. Selecting a tab allows you to view the uncleared transactions along with the totals at the bottom of each screen. Please note that if you have legacy transactions that have not been a part of the bank reconciliation process, there are settings and system-wide parameters that will allow you to correct this matter. Please refer to the brief tutorial on bank reconciliation, system-wide parameters, exclude options settings. After entering the bank information on the Bank tab, to complete the bank reconciliation process, start with the Check tab. Review the information on each tab moving from left to right. Clear transactions according to the information provided on the bank statement by checking the cleared box at the left of the transaction. At the top of each tab are optional functions to streamline the process. Uncheck Select All to utilize either From To Transaction Number or From To Transaction Date fields in conjunction with Clear and Unclear buttons to quickly allow you to make selective changes en masse. Note, if needed, there is a New Transaction button at the top of each tab which allows you to create a corresponding transaction on the fly in the event that something has not been previously entered. Simply clicking the button will allow you to create and complete the missing transaction. There are also print and preview options available from the transaction-related tabs that allow you to view report information on cleared, outstanding, and/or excluded transactions. Simply select the print or preview option and select the desired transactions. The Reconcile tab summarizes the reconciliation's current information. Once the information is correct and accurately reflects the current banking circumstances, i.e. ending balance, balance per books, and difference, etc., print and preview options available for the Reconcile tab will provide a summary report. Notice the History tab and Note tab to the right. We'll discuss the History tab function a little later. The Note tab is available to provide any notes or references as needed. The process is finalized by clicking on the Reconcile button in the lower right. A prompt will appear to confirm that you wish to reconcile. Confirm. this bank reconciliation is completed to satisfaction and you're ready to file it. If you say yes, you will not be able to change it. However, if necessary, a reconciliation can be deleted at the History tab and recreated as needed with modifications. Click Yes to complete. Next, a prompt will appear. Reconciliation was saved and closed successfully. Clicking OK will clear the bank reconciliation screen. A completed bank reconciliation may be revisited and redone if needed. To do so, enter the bank account number on the main tab and hit Enter. The History tab will become available. On the History tab will be a list of completed bank reconciliations. Keep in mind that undoing bank reconciliations can only be done in reverse order. That is, the most current first, and then the second most current, and so on. With the most current completed bank reconciliation selected, click on the Delete button in the lower right. Do you want to delete the bank reconciliation ending on date? Clicking Yes reverts all the bank reconciliation's information to what it was just prior to posting the bank reconciliation. Now, any needed corrections or changes may be made and the reconciliation can then be completed. In addition to the earlier mentioned information that may be previewed and printed from within the bank reconciliation screens, related report queries are also available from the Report menu. They include cash deposits, credit card deposits, the check register, cash deposit register, other EFT register, credit card deposit register, adjustment register, and reconciliation. The available report queries may be found in the blue area of the My Desktop Bank Reconciliation module or under Bank Reconciliation in the Reports menu.